The real reason why people are seeing health as a new way after this lockdown. Friends, as we all know that lockdown has come up with so many new changes. We can witness a new world is emerging in a new way. That's why the perspective of people is changing towards their health. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to lose their weight. Friends, I still remember that a few days back I met with one of my old friend and he has a tummy out like a child in his womb. And I asked to him that what happened. Then he said me that these are some side effects of the lockdown. If you are among those peoples, then today I have brought you a good news. Friends, this lockdown has shown us the three phases of human health and especially to the people of India. At one time, we can say that some people are struggling for the food, and now on the another time, some people are struggling because they have so much food. This lockdown has cleared a single picture to us that whether you are a thin person, whether you are a obese person, but what kind of immunity you have is important. It is important that you have to have the health in your life. If a person who is too big, he can be the part of malnutrition of India. If a person is obese, then his or her immunity is already fighting to cope up with this overweight or the fat which is inside of us. Friends, this lockdown has given us three things which I would like to share with you today. The number one thing which I would like to say, the two types of people has emerged in this lockdown. The one who has gained their weight and the another one who lost their weight. One of my client lost around 7 kgs in this lockdown. He has adapted some of the good habits of having food, home, especially the home food, the good nutritious food, and started doing some home workouts. And few other persons has gained some weight just because they already did not have any kind of activities to do beside from their work. So that's why it was a siren for them that they must add some kind of activity which is apart from their work, else have to have the busy life schedule in their life. The second thing which has emerged, that people need mental health also. There are many of the things has been came like depression, anxiety, which was already in the inside of humanity or in the people of India, but right now they emerged when they became a part of lockdown. So that's why the mental health is equally important than physical health. I have seen many people who try many diets, who try many exercise, but usually they don't get the results which they expect from themselves because they always expect some negative from themselves. They usually say the things like this diet doesn't work on me, this kind of workout doesn't work for me, I am not made to be a thin or a fit person in my life. I have to cope up with this life like this only. These are some of the negative words we usually talk to us only, but we need to change our thinking towards health because the mental toughness and the mental adaptability to be a fit person is the most important to get the fitness in your life. Your self image has to be important. Your self image has to be positive about yourself. Then and then only any diet can work on you, any workouts can work on you. So friends, the people has come to know that what are their mental illness and mental health is equally important for them. The third thing which has came, like the now the world has become shorter. I wish I have the knowledge which is going on online nowadays. People are becoming online persons. Now the people like me can talk to, can converse with the people like you, so that you can have a knowledge about their health, and you can have the knowledge that from my all the failures, that how not to get health in your life, so that you can have those experience in your life and apply on them and have a good benefits of health in your life. So that's where the people like me has been emerged. And you can say that the knowledge, there is so much knowledge right now has been come on online. Right now people are doing the online workouts, people are taking online courses, people are taking online dieting consultations. So that's why the awareness of the health has became more. So this is the positive point which we have seen in this lockdown. Boundaries are become shorter. Now people can get a good knowledge which usually used to cost him in thousands and lakhs. Now it is available in a very cheap way on online. So friends, at last I like to say to you that lockdown has given us so many problems. There are so many negative perspectives are already there, but there are some positive things are also happened. Some people has lost their weight. Some people has come to know the importance of meditation, and some peoples are working on it. Some peoples are taking the classes, some peoples are working, getting the course, getting the knowledge from online and applying on them. And if a person get the benefits of health, not only he becomes healthy, but the people around him or her become healthy. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bhupendra signing out for now until we meet again. But before I go, I like to say to you that I have made something for you. Actually, I prepared an ebook for those people who want to have the health in their life, who want to start the diet, um, who want to, and who want to gain the knowledge about the diets. That's why if you wish to have the knowledge, then download the ebook. The link I'm giving you in the description. And if you want my personal coaching, then feel free to contact me and feel free to message me. This is Bhupen signing out for now. Until we meet again, I just wish for all of you to know your fitness.